this top piece. There you go. See how they came out? Look at that. That's how the top piece looked. It was sitting on top of here. And this is where we're gonna get our power from right here. I'm gonna clean that window because that window is dirty. So this trash, but we're gonna keep this to put the new LED strip in there. This is the light right here. I'm gonna start off, take this little end cap off. So I'm gonna take this clip piece off because it's just gonna be too much in that little tight space. See that? All that have to come off. There we go. There we go, see? Clean. Cut it about right here. This is too thick, so I need to shave this off. So I just sprayed this down and I'm just wiping it. Clean as a whistle. Look at that. That's how it look. What I'm going to do is plug the battery back up and turn the headlights on. Should be this one. There you go. See that light? So the black one is hot. Let's turn the headlights off. See? So only when the parking lights and the headlights on, it'll turn on. So let me unplug the battery again. So we're gonna cut this.